Approximately 6 months ago, I embarked on an intriguing experiment. I aimed to determine if AI could assist everyday individuals in making smarter financial choices, not through aggressive trading, risky crypto tactics, or chasing fleeting strategies, but by enhancing existing opportunities, promotions, bonuses, timing, and straightforward investments. Over the course of 6 months, I meticulously recorded every detail. The findings genuinely astonished me. In this video, I will reveal what strategies succeeded, which failed, and how you can responsibly apply this system. Let's clarify this from the outset. This is not day trading. It is not a scheme to get rich quickly, and it is certainly not financial advice. This revolves around leveraging AI as a decision support tool, revealing financial inefficiencies that most overlook. Often, these seem mundane or insignificant. Here's the critical takeaway. Major institutions don't depend on a single grand move. They rely on systems' small, consistent optimizations implemented over time. The recent shift is that AI has made these systems accessible to individuals like you, not to replace your thinking, but to organize it better. My tested system comprised 3 simple components. First, capturing valid financial bonuses and promotions. Second, employing AI to gauge risk and assist with timing decisions. Third, systematically reinvesting gains rather than spending them. However, collectively, they produce compounded results. Over 6 months, this system grew approximately $47,000 in gross results, encompassing bonuses, rewards, and investment growth. After accounting for taxes and exclusions, the net figure was lower, yet still significant. What's crucial isn't just the sum, it's this. Every dollar was accounted for, every decision was purposeful, and the system was repeatable. It's vital to grasp what AI accomplished and what it didn't. AI did not magically generate income. It aided me in scanning and prioritizing promotions. It monitored requirements and deadlines. It helped evaluate risk and timing. And it removed emotional bias from my decisions. View AI as a meticulously organized assistant rather than a decision maker. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes you should avoid. Mistake number 1, pursuing every opportunity. Not every bonus or promotion justifies the time invested or potential risk involved. Some may carry hidden fees, strict requirements, or credit consequences. The solution was straightforward. I employed AI to evaluate each opportunity based on return, effort, risk, and impact. Only the most valuable opportunities were pursued. Mistake number 2, neglecting taxes. Bonuses count as taxable income, and investment gains can also incur taxes. Initially, I underestimated this aspect's importance. The solution involved setting aside a percentage immediately and monitoring it consistently. AI assisted with organization, but the responsibility remained with me. Mistake number 3, placing blind faith in AI. AI is indeed powerful, yet it doesn't grasp your complete life situation. I treated it as a guide, not an infallible authority. I reviewed every suggestion and modified it if something felt off. That discipline was crucial. Let me outline the straightforward framework I adhered to. Step 1. Create a dedicated AI workspace for financial planning. Input your initial capital, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Step 2. Pinpoint 5 to 7 high-value promotions or opportunities. Focus on quality over quantity. Step 3. Log requirements, deadlines, and outcomes in a spreadsheet. Step 4. Reinvest gains based on risk tolerance and timeline rather than emotions. Step 5. Review weekly, adjust monthly, and maintain consistency. This framework is straightforward. Execution differentiates success. Now, let's set practical expectations. Your results will vary based on starting capital, credit profiles, market conditions, and discipline. Your outcomes won't mirror mine. However, if you execute this plan consistently, you will likely outperform a passive approach simply because you'll be attentive and deliberate. This isn't a passive strategy. This requires commitment, but it's attainable and structured. This video isn't about hype. It's about effective systems. If you found this insightful, please consider subscribing. I'll continue to document real experiments, including failures, allowing you to learn without uncertainty. If you decide to try this method, share your starting point in the comments. I rate them all and will assist where possible. Thank you for watching. Establish systems. Maintain consistency. Embrace a long-term perspective. See more of these videos by subscribing to our channel today. See you next time.